Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can make a root symbol in Microsoft Word just by using a shortcut key. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So we just need to open Microsoft Word first. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match and click on the blank document. Okay, then you just need to look at your keyboard. Make sure that your keyboard has a numeric pad, but in case your keyboard doesn't have a numeric pad, do not worry. We can use the on-screen keyboard of our Windows. So in order to enable the on-screen keyboard, simply go to the Windows search bar and type on. On-screen keyboard will appear under the best match. Click on that. And here you can find a numeric keypad. So in your case, if your keyboard doesn't have a numeric keypad, you can always use the on-screen keyboard of your Windows. Then click on the a blank page. Then we just need to look at the Alt key on our keyboard. Again, it's Alt key, ALT. So press the Alt key on your keyboard. Then press 251 in the numeric keypad. Again, press the Alt key on your keyboard, then press 251 on the numeric keypad on your on-screen keyboard. Now once done, slowly release your finger from the Alt key, and that's it. You have just created the symbol. Okay. So that's it. That's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.